Encountered an OSD file from a website search integration? This is a search engine description that lets browsers add custom search providers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open, install, and create these OpenSearch description files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common OSD Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. Users typically encounter OSD files when a website offers to add its search functionality directly to their web browser. This file contains XML data that tells the browser the name of the search engine, its icon, and the URL template for submitting queries, streamlining the user's search experience. The OSD format is an XML-based specification designed for simplicity and interoperability. Its text-based structure allows for easy creation and parsing by both web servers and browsers. It uses defined tags like holiday to declaratively define the properties of a search provider. Your primary troubleshooting tool for OSD should be the specialized Microsoft Edge by Microsoft Corporation. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for this file. Windows previews static elements, while dynamic content requires browser processing. To open this specific OSD file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft Edge is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the OSD file won't budge, stay calm. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, opening in text editor. OSD files are XML and open in any text editor, including Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or Sublime Text. Enable XML syntax highlighting to clearly view the OpenSearch element structure. This is useful for inspecting search engine definitions or learning the OpenSearch format for creating custom search providers. Next, installing in browser. Modern browsers automatically detect OpenSearch descriptions on websites. To manually install an OSD file, open it in Internet Explorer or Edge Legacy mode, which prompts for Search Provider Edition. Firefox supports installation through About Preferences, Search, and Add-on integration. Chrome detects OpenSearch automatically when visiting compatible sites. Finally, creating custom search. Create your own OSD files by following the OpenSearch specification. Define search URLs, replacing query terms with search terms. Placeholder includes site icon and metadata. Host the OSD file on your website, and add HTML link tag pointing to it for automatic browser discovery and one-click installation by visitors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.